Good evening, Northeast 8 Nagamis News viewers kan Ajilaga main headlines. Dimapur Our Youth Organization pra anti-social activities bishi hoikina jaitaka opor concern junadishi. Naga Students Federation pra Naga Talks opor iko statements nadia age balbra bhavna kurble junadishi. Rising People's Party pra Dimapur te sonic booms bishi hoikina jaitaka opor concern junashi. Manipur te aji 1000 nishna manu state te normalcy anibo karne demand korikna protest korishi. Dimapur Our Youth Organization DAY pra armed aru anti-social activities bishi olaikina public safety ekilogote peacefully thaka aru law threaten korikina citizens majute bhoy olaikina jai thaka opor serious concern junaidishi. Media cell laga through DAY pra community sobke criminality bhoy khilai thaka aru law nachula against ekta kurikina khara kurible urge kurikina junaishi ki law laga bahar kunbi nachuli bole lage koishi. Taikan junaishi ki ekta civilized society te jhamala manu logote puisa extort kura aru dhamki diato tolerate na kurible lage koikina state kurishi. Organization pra responsible citizens, civil society organizations or community leaders ke ekdam alert thakikina anti-social kam kan hata bole te actively modod di bole urge kurishi. DAY pra Commissioner of Police Autula T Imchin pra lead kurikina Dimapur Police Commissionerate ke law and order maintain kurible thik time te action law nimite aru au yimkim busti laga incident link thaka culprits ke bhi arrest kura opor appreciate korishi. DAYB DGP Nagaland Rupin Sharma ke criminals against strong or active action law opor khushi jinai dikna itu prakinika crime kura kan ki hoile bhi punish hwato sabole pai koikna junanishi. Justice to law hisab te strictly deliver kurible lage koikna DAYO junaishi ki society laga manukun bhi law nijor laga hatte nalo bole lage aru rule of law te bisas rakha prahi pabule paribo koigna junanishi. Organization prarubi state te peace security aru justice rakhibo karne sob lawful steps opor taikanaga support junanishi. Naga Students Federation NSF pra alag alag personalities pra time to time Naga political issue opor public statements dia opor concern junai dikna warn kurishi ki misa misi kotha accusations or enika serious time te blame kura pra situation to biala hobole pare koishi media cell through NSF junaishi ki takan early or honorable solution nimite lagi thakato bujibole pare hoilebi naga manu majute unity to sobse important ase koikna junanishi. Takan warn kurishi ki naga manu majute hi division thaka pra generations iman pra sacrifice kurikina ahato komzor kuri dibo koishi. NSF prarubi ekbar junaishi ki naga political issue to Nagaland tekla nimiti na hoy kina sob naga manu nimiti ase koikna junanishi. Takan junaishi ki age te agreements kan bhal pra address nakura nimiti fail hoishi juntu pra bisas kurible na para ar duk anishi koishi. Federation junaishi ki olop time karne solution to accept nakuribo aru ahi thaka generation to age te bona political galti nimite duk pai se koikna leaders ke ekdam bhavna kurikna bhal pra kotha aru ek kurible urge kurishi. Alag alag opinions to accept kurikna NSF pra regional or group based division against warn kurishi. Takan state kurishi ki khali ekta naga political issue aru ekta solution ase juntu to khuli kina sob ke include kurible lage aru naga manu ke jawab dibole lage koishi kote ku lukai thaka aru sob ke involve na kurato acceptable nohoy koikna junadishi. NSF junaishi ki final agreement pra naga politics culture mati resources identity aru future to bachabole lage koishi. Federation pra September 12 tarik sal 2024 meeting junto Nagaland government pra matishi tate Member of Parliament backed signatories national stakeholders be Government of India ke talks to highest political level te lubule urge kurbanimite manishi koikna yad kurishi. NSF pra state government ke resolution opor key action loishi to hudikina taikhan naga manu sob like a collective decision to hisab kurble urge kurikina junaishi ki charta key resolution pra sob stakeholders key lage to represent kure koikna junadishi. NSF pra Government of India ke naga issue to solve kuribo nimite hossa aru serious hubole junaidishi taikhan bi naga political group sob ke ekilogote ahikna dangor manu nishna mature tarika pra ek kurible aru ekjon ke hisab kurible urge kurishi. এনেকা কৰিলে একটা লাষ্টিং সলিউশন পাব কয় কিনা জনা দিছে NSF warn কৰিছে কি এগ্ৰিমেণ্ট যোনটো পৰা নাগা ইউনিটি ল্যান্ড ইন্টিগ্ৰেশ্যন আৰু পলিটিকেল আইডেন্টিটি নিচিনা ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ইছ্যুজ খান ইগনোৰ কৰে এইটোতো নাগা মানুহ লগা ইচ্ছা বিট্ৰে কৰা লগা হ'ব কয় কিনা জনা দিছে Rising People's Party RPP pra Dimapurte sonic booms junto ase hawate ekdom jor pra shock waves korikina awaz dangor kurato itu bishi hoikina jai taka opor serious concern express korikina Army Air Force authorities ke jet fighters te pra ola sonic booms laga life threatening effects kan consider korble urge kurse press release se RPP janashi ki January 28 tarik din Dimapur town te ekta dangor sonic boom ola time private hospital ekta juntute serious patients takishi to pura hilai dishi koise party state kurshi ki patient ekta itu time te cardiac arrest hoishi koy kina junalishi RPP not kurshi ki agete thaka interlocutor RN Ravi pra naga peace talks to khotom hoishi kwa pichte Dimapur te sonic booms bishi ola honi bole paisi koise party junashi ki to co incident ase na ki ase to confirm korbele na pare hoile bi sonic booms pra manu khan majote boy bishi hoy thaka nimite RPP pra defense authorities ke January 28 tarik din incident hoa opor clarification dikina aro to enika na hobo karne ensure korbele request kurshi party bi state government ke intervene kurikina higher authorities ke Dimapur area te serious health risk thaka nimite RPP bi Nagaland Pollution Board Control Board ke matter to sabole urge kurshi party janashi ki sonic booms to 75 decibels Central Pollution Control Board pra awaz nimite limit rakha pra bishi opor 110 to 120 decibels ase koishi juntu to bishi dangor ase koikna junadishi Hazar nishna manu juntu te Manipur violence limited displays hoikna thaka aru alag alag communities laga manu thakishi takan Manipur te aji state laga territorial integrity bachabole aru region te hoi thaka proxy war to khatam korbole demand korikna rasta te protest kura dikhibole paishi Mass rally junto safe Manipur ko ekna title kurishi to Tidim ground te shuru hoise aru Thau ground te khotam kurishi kote participants kan Imphal Valley aru dusra osor areas te pra ahishi protest to coordinating committee on Manipur integrity COCOMI laga banner under te organize kurishi participants per government of India ke take step loikna state te security concerns kan address korikna normalcy ani bole urge kurishi